Welcome to the INFINIX Hot Wi-Fi, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first, let's just press up or down volume button, and after that you'll see here this bell icon. Just to activate the silent mode, click twice on this bell icon, and now we can see that the calls and notifications will be muted. This means that the silent mode is turned off. If you want to turn it on, just click here once again on this bell icon, and that's it. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel, and after that you'll see here somewhere the ring icon. Just tap twice on the ring icon, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click once again on the ring icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.